right, as promised, we are back to finish up that final proof in section 2.4. So I am given that angle FKJ is a right angle, angle HJK is a right angle, and then these two angles are congruent, angle GKG and angle GJK. So I am going to list my three pieces of given information. Not angle 3, statement 3. Miss Treadway needs a nap. Okay, I've got my three pieces of given information. Now I need to look at what conclusions I can draw. Well, similarly to that prior proof, I've got two angles that are forming a right angle, which means I know they are complementary. So I'm going to say that angle FKG is complementary to angle GKJ. How do I know that? Because if you're not sure, you can once again consult your dominoes, but if two angles form a right angle, then they are complementary. Okay, similarly, on this other side, I've got these two angles forming a right angle. So I can also say that angle HJG is complementary to angle GJK. And why do I know that? It's the same as number 4. If two angles form a right angle, then they are complementary. So what do I have here? I've got two pairs of complementary angles and a set that are congruent to each other. So this is going to be one of my complementary theorems, and I am dealing with 4 angles here. So how do I know that angle FKG is congruent to angle HJG? Well, that would be because if angles are complementary to congruent angles, then they are congruent. Now, those 4 theorems are in your dominoes. If you go to the back side of the first page, on the right-hand column, there you have your first 3, your 2 supplements, and the first complement. And then if you flip over to the very first one on the second page, that's where the 4th one is. So that's where those are located in your dominoes, and they are there for easy reference. Again, you've got your diagrams here. Look, 3 angles, 4 angles, 3 angles, 4 angles. Let that be your guide in knowing which theorem to use at what time.